All right, don't forget we have our audit on 12/1 Tuesday, and then also Brenco is going to be here on 12/7 and 12/8. Okay, so we got to make sure we're ready for that and cleaned. And while we're cleaning this next couple days, we need to maintain the cleaning. It's not just clean it once for the holidays like we do at home. We need to make sure it maintains clean. Okay. When we start cleaning and we see that we need garbage cans or we need this stuff, we have to have one suggestion about we need garbage cans. I know we need them. We need locations for them so we know what we need to throw away. So we need to make sure we're identifying what we need, okay, while we're doing that. All right? Just think, if we could spend more time fixing problems like FS3 and not running around chaotic looking for stuff, we can spend more time on quality of product than just looking for things, okay? So take the time, figure out where it needs to be, get it done, make sure it happens so we can spend time on quality of product, all right? Certain value that we can give to our customer, okay? All right, so, we're talking about then flow, and we were talking yesterday about cutting in half. We should be able to do that. So the techniques of flow. So how do you make value flow? The first step, once value is defined and the entire value stream is identified, is to focus on the actual object, the specific design, the specific order, and the product itself, and never let it out of your sight from beginning to completion. The second step, which makes the first step possible, is to ignore the traditional boundaries of jobs, careers, functions, and firms to form a lean enterprise, removing all impediments to the continuous flow of a specific product or product family. The third step is to rethink specific work practices and tools to eliminate backflows, scrap, and stoppages of all sorts that the design, order, and the production of a specific product can proceed continuously. In fact, these three steps must be taken together. Most managers imagine that the requirements of efficiency dictate that design, orders, and products go through the system, and that good management consists of avoiding variances in the performance of complex system handling a wide variety of products. The real need is to get rid of the system and start over on a new basis. To make this approach clear and specific, let's take a concrete example, the design, ordering, and production of a bicycle. We've chosen this example partly because the bicycle itself is simple and lacks glamour. You will not be distracted by novel product designs or exotic technologies. We've also chosen it because happens to know something about the bicycle industry. One of us having resolved to test the methods we describe in this book by taking an ownership position in a real bicycle company. Finally, we have chosen bicycle manufacturer because it is deeply integrated industry, with most final assembler firms making only the frame while buying the components, wheels, brakes, gears, seats, handlebars, plus raw materials in the form of frame tubing. From a long list of supplier companies, many larger than the final assemblers themselves, the problem of value stream integration are present in abundance. All right, so we're going to start talking about that. Again, we got to change our mindset. If we keep doing the same thing, we're going to end up in the same place. It's not going to change. We have to think of different ways of getting the value through it, how we get the flow through it, how we get things done, not just pass it on to the next person, pass it over, send an email because I'm covering my butt and I'm passing it on to somebody else. Follow this system through. We have to make changes. Okay?